Hello guys, welcome to the nursery. I'm going to just run through a couple of trolleys that are put together here for the show for tomorrow in Yellow Furze. Just for those that can't make it, I'd like to just run through a few bits. I'm doing a bit of a special tomorrow and of 5% over orders of €500 and plus our free delivery. So, and I'm going to extend that, the special offer this particular week and right through next week to Easter. Alright, so please do avail of that as that's a very, very good offer. So I'd like to run through a couple of bits and pieces here. I'd like to start with the Veronica Little Leo. So that's a very, very nice plant. It's a great garden plant, early flowering, and you can see that it's nice and bushy and ready to flower. As we look across, we've got some very, very nice grass selection at the moment. So that's Stipa Arundinacea. You can see that that's nice full plants, nice bit of autumn colour still on it, all the new foliage coming through. Following along, we've got some nice Xanthodecia here. So this particular one is the Snow White. So you can see nice big strappy leaves and nice, very, very full plants and good, fresh, healthy growth. Another favourite of ours here is the Campanula Cerulean. So this is the nice Campanula, blue flower Campanula. Again, very, very good foliage, very, very strong plants. Another great one to have in the garden centre. A few 2-litre alpines this year. This particular one is Campanula Stella. Again, full crop of foliage and plenty of buds ready to pop or to form in over the next week or so. Coming across, very, very nice selection of alliums. So we've got Christophii, Mont Blanche, the white one, some Purple Sensation, and there's a few other smaller ones to go along with it. Nice poppy and Papaver Allegro, so a nice orange poppy, and again, good strong foliage on all the poppies on the list this week. So very, very good foliage on those as well. A new variety for ourselves is the GM Mai Tai. Again, very, very strong, good plants, and you can see that is the sort of the faded red orangey flowers on those. As we go along, again, very, very nice selection of lupins, very, very strong in terms of foliage, and so they're available in the blue, red, yellow and white. Coming across, again, red poppy, nice Camassias at this time of the year as well. So these are good, strong plants as well, available in the blue and the white. Coming across, we've some very, very good roses this year. So as you can see along the bottom, a good selection offered in the nice pink 3-litre deep. Nice Watsonias for this time of the year. As well, the nice everlasting sweet pea. So this is the Latirus Pink Pearl, available also in red and white. And you can see that it's starting to climb up the cane already. Coming across, nice selection in terms of ferns. So we've got a few here, the Dixonia Antarctica on show. We've got the Dryopteris erythrosa about to throw on its new orange foliage. Some nice Astelia, very, very strong plants, and showing that lovely silvery. So that's Astelia Silver Shadow. Another one that new to the range this year was the Fritillaria. So you can see that they're very, very strong plants. So that's Fritillaria Imperalis. So you can see that they're very, very good plants. And this year, for the first, we've done a range of some of the favourite David Austins. So they're offered up in a 4.5-litre grey pot, and they're very, very nice. You can see that they're very, very good, strong plants. That particular one there is Falstaff, nice red. As we always have, we'll just finish up on the trolley of alpines and herbs. So we've got a selection of herbs, stuff like, you know, the normal, the chives, the Swiss spearmint. Again, very, very nice plants, good, strong, healthy growth on them. Some parsley, got some nice lavender, mint, and the dwarf oregano, the Oregano compacta. Again, you can see very, very nice, neat foliage on that one. As we go down through the alpines, you've got some stuff like the Erisiums, the Arabis, all the usual suspects are there, Helianthemums, so some nice yellow rock rose, red, and finishing up with a very, very nice dark foliaged Ajuga. So that particular one is Black Scallop, and you can see really, really dark foliage, and we'll have this lovely purpley kind of flowers on them. So they're very, very nice and very good set off against some sort of cream stone or something like that. So guys, that's just a very, very quick run through of some of the trolleys that are going to be on display. I look forward to seeing you there tomorrow, and just keep an eye on our follow the brand Nice and Easy on Facebook, so that we'll start pushing a few customers towards your garden centres. We'll be putting updates on there every day, every couple of days, to try and drive traffic to your garden centre. Guys, thanks very much for watching, and I hope to see you tomorrow.